Namaste, this is Astro Brinda from Coimbatore. We are going to see the series of nakshatras from today, from this session. We start with Ashwini Nakshatra. Ashwini Nakshatra, the pada, all the four padas falls in Aries, Mesh Rashi, and the zodiac range starts from 0 degree to 13.20. The ruling planet of Ashwini Nakshatra is Ketu. Deity is Ashwini Kumars, that is the divine healers of the Devas or whomever, the celestial bodies, healers of all Devagan. The symbol of Ashwini Nakshatra is horse head. Once when we say the name Ashwini, we immediately need to remember one single phrase: swift and drift, light and swift, horsepower. That's all. Once if we think about Ashwini, immediately we should think about healing or fastest mode of transport. For an example, the animal is male horse. The bird related to Ashwini is wild eagle, which can find the prey very far, 1000 meters or more than 1000 meters far from anywhere, and it very easily reaches the prey. Poison nut tree is a tree that Ashwini Nakshatra denotes, and all herbal plants Ashwini denotes. Okay, can you imagine a horse running near a mountain range where the land is very greenish in color, and the horse is running in that way, so that we can easily guess that it has fixed some target and it is moving to achieve something. The horse always has a great balance, ability to escape the danger, able to sleep standing or sitting down, reproduces very faster. Same way, Ashwini dominated people want to complete the things very fast. They are very excellent in averting danger, psychological or physical. They are sexually very aware from very early age itself, and they can find any place to take a nap, short sleep. Their main aim is to wake up faster, but really in real life, does they follow that or not depends on other placements of the planets. Still, they tend to wake up very earlier, so then they can win running very fast in the race of life. Ashwini persons have very weak collarbones. Once when we think about horse, we immediately remember about horsepower, the power of car's engine. Horse is very extremely powerful animal which can kill a man with a single kick from hind legs. So the Ashwini person will have very strong legs and thighs to help them run very faster or walk very faster. They keep very long hips. The steps will be very far from one leg to another, one step to another. Very large steps, long steps actually. In any horoscope, if the Lagna or the moon or Lagna Lord falls in Ashwini Nakshatra, we can see the prominent Ashwini energy in that person. Ashwini actually, as per analysis, carries the heavy karmic debt of Sun. Normally, the immunity of Ashwini people will be less right from the day they are born. If the sixth lord or Lagna or moon or Lagna lord falls in Ashwini, or if the Atmakaraka stands in Ashwini, they should improve their immunity. They need to offer water to Lord Sun. They should not eat non-veg. Totally avoiding is best. Daily offer water to Lord Sun. Chant Aditya Hridaya thrice a day. Garuda Gayatri to chant always in subconscious mind, or at least 108 times a day. They are said to be failed to forgot to perform the duties and responsibilities towards father. Over bossy nature they were in some births. In this birth, Ashwini Nakshatra people, prominent Ashwini Nakshatra people, will not get complete support from father. Either the father will not be financially enough to support the person, or if the father is financially well enough to support the person, they will lack the love from father, or else they will lose the father in one or other way. They will have vision problem, eyesight problem, extreme body heat, body temperature will be more than normal. They always tend to acquire things very faster and to throw the things same way very faster. Because Ashwini is, we say Shigra Vyapana Shakti. They tend to attain things very faster. They won't be very stable in their decision, and they'll be very stubborn on their views, very adamant nature while they grow. Because we know Aries doesn't listen to others. It is a horse which fixes the target and just keeps running to reach the target, whatever obstacles may be in between. Ashwini people are inbuilt healer. In whichever field they are, they will be like a solution provider to others. Once in their life, they will enter the police station for any friend, for any known person. Ashwini people, prominent people, they don't get anyone working under them very stronger, or they don't get any complete positive support from the boss also. In trouble times, the boss will leave Ashwini people. They don't get proper assistance also from the people working under them. They will lose the support of the subordinates. They will be very much concentrating towards name, fame, wealth, health and identity. They will be identity seeking. Surely they will get that identity provided all other placements in the horoscope is good. Always help medicinal support to the needy on the roadside. If you are prominent planet in Ashwini, to activate that bhava, whichever bhava it may be. Help the elderly, uncared, unattended people, male on the roadside. Don't take a single step against government rules or laws. Always obey the rules and regulations of the government. Once in their life, they will be connecting with government or politicians or government people in one or other way, which will be fruitful for them, but they should handle it very carefully. Never tend to get government job in any shortcut way. Just keep on doing your work, and until you have the eligibility to appear to the government exams, you do it. If Ashwini is activated very positively, surely you will get the contact from government. Never go in any shortcut way by giving money or trying taking any unwanted risk to reach government jobs. Chanting Aditya Hridayam thrice a day, chanting Garuda Gayatri, offering water to Lord Sun, is the greatest remedy. And always play any board game, let it be Ludo or Carrom board, Snake and Ladder, any board game you try to play. Taking pictures often, traveling often. Whenever you feel frustrated or whenever you are restless, just drive, just travel, read some books. If you have Swati Nakshatra or Chitra Nakshatra people around you, you can get help from them at any time in your life. If any person has prominent Swati or Chitra Nakshatra, plant healing herbs in your garden or in the roof or in the terrace or in balcony. If you have balcony, you can plant even there or in your own backyard also. So all these things helps you to activate to reach the positive effects of Ashwini. Give medicines, medicinal support, alternative medicine, that is not alternative medicine, actually English medicine is alternative medicine, traditional medicinal support to the needy. Once in a year for 48 days, eat ashwagandha. One pill in the morning and one at night. And in red thread, any root, any powerful root, even if you get ashwagandha, you can tie it in the red rope and you can wear it anywhere as you like, or else you just carry any powerful root with you. I always carry poison nut small stem in my purse, in my bag. And black turmeric always I carry with me. So even black turmeric you can carry always with you. You can keep it in your working place, you can keep it in your wealth cupboard, or you can have it in your bag, or you can have it in your puja room also. Whatever thing you wish to perform, whatever thing you wish to initiate, if you want the thing to complete, the project to complete sooner, you just initiate the work, you just initiate anything on Ashwini Nakshatra day. When the moon transit on the Nakshatra Ashwini in Gochar, in transit, not in your natal chart. It will be Aries month then. In the Gochar, when the moon is in Ashwini Nakshatra day, you can initiate anything. If any person has the name letter starting with Chu, Che, Cho, La, if you hand over any job to them, immediately you will see that they are trying to finish it very faster. They tend to complete it and send the paper out of the table. So anything you need to starting any medicine practices, starting any projects, new projects, applying for any loan or anything new, you can start on Ashwini Nakshatra day. Ashwini Nakshatra is a nakshatra of miracle workers. But it is sad that you don't get any proper worker, proper labor, or you won't get any proper boss. So always handle the people working under you or the people above you. Always handle very carefully. So I think I have given enough remedies which works out practically for Ashwini Nakshatra people. And never support for any abortion, because Ashwini is connected with DNC also, voluntary abortion. The previous birth, knowingly or unknowingly, you might have supported abortion. So in this birth, you will be born in a family where DNC happens, or DNC where the family DNC will be done. That's why we ask you to not to eat non-veg and maintain body temperature. Never support abortion. And see that you care pregnant ladies. You care carrying living beings. The cat is pregnant, if the dog is pregnant, attend them. Serve them. It activates your Ashwini positively. I have attached the energy flashcard given by Shri Dr. Arjun Pai sir, and there are several symbols given in that flashcard. swan, male horse, poison tree, and Bija mantra of Ashwin Nakshatra, Om Am, Om Im. You can chant this Bija mantra 108 times a day if you have prominent Ashwin in your horoscope, or else in Gochar, if moon's transit happens in Ashwin Nakshatra day also, you can chant this Bija mantra. So offer water to Lord Sun daily, do Surya Namaskar, chant Garuda Gayatri, so that you can very well connect to Ashwin Nakshatra positively. Love you all. Astro Brinda again from Coimbatore.